traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover the euro versus US dollar, and I will also cover gold and the USD versus Japanese yen. So on the euro versus US dollar, I found basically that we got, I will show you my daily time frame, and there is a rate of change divergence right there. So market made a lower lows and lower highs, but the oscillator made a higher low, and we got a rate of change flip to the upside. Now this is a pretty good rise so far on the euro today. And my advice is basically to watch for buying opportunities and eventual first upside target at 1.2065, and then watch for the next bigger upside target if you try to play for a swing trade all the way up at 1.2125. So pretty bullish environment on the euro dollar, and my advice, focus on the buying opportunities using the lower frames, intraday frames. You can use the 5-minute time frame, even 15-30 minute time frame. Just watch for a pullback like this. So there is like pullback, we're doing the pullback on the 15-30, so you can watch for a pullback and then eventually try to go long on that pullback. Speaking of the gold, I'll also go first to the daily time frame and show you this one. So this is a gold, and still this we got we have like, I'll say the inside day relative to the last 2 days, and we have the balancing process there. We are now on the rising trend. Basically we have the rising 5 simple moving average and the rising 20. In the past we rejected there a few times, so I think this is a pretty bullish stance, and we got breakout the previous day high. So obviously 1798 is the level to watch for upside target, and you can watch for buying opportunities. Also on the pullbacks on the daily with the first target at 1798. And in case if we break that, that's actually quite big, important pivot right there. In case if we break that, there is definitely potential that we can revisit the, we put this area here at 1813. So watch for buying opportunities. We have a rate of change flip to the upside after the 2 negative readings. We broke inside this inside day formation to the upside, and I think we can test the 1797 and 1813. And the USDN is still, I want to say that it's inside. We have a few days inside of this down day, and watch for the breakout. So watch for the breakout of 108.87 for the downside, and eventual retest of the 108.46 in that case. In case of the upside breakout of the 109.70, watch for the buying opportunities. So the pullbacks in case of the upside breakout with a target at 110.70.